Vladimir Nikitich Yarygin was a Soviet and Russian biologist and teacher. He was born in 1942 in Vabkent, Uzbekistan, graduated from the Russian State Medical University named after Pirogov in 1964. After graduation, he worked as an assistant, senior researcher, associate professor, and since 1975, he became head of the Department of Biology of the Russian State Medical University. In the period from the 1984 to 27, he was a rector of the Russian State Medical University. Vladimir Nikitich Yarygin had a lot of ranks and memberships in different research communities. He was academician and member of the Presidium of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences, Doctor of Medical Sciences, Professor, expert of the World Health Organization on medical education, founder of scientific and pedagogical schools in the field of fundamental and practical medicine of national and international rank, member of the All-Russian Society of Anatomists, Histologists, Embryologists, and so on. Vladimir Nikitich Yarygin died in 2013 and was buried in Moscow at the Troyekurovsky Cemetery, but the members of his family are also involved in medical research and continue work in scientific field nowadays. His brother, Konstantin Nikitich Yarygin, who was born in 1948, is a corresponding member of the Russian Academy of Sciences, professor, biotechnologist, head of the laboratory of cell biology named after Orekhovich. The son, Nikolai Vladimirovich Yarygin, who was born in 1971, is a traumatologist, corresponding member of the Russian Academy of Sciences. Let's talk about scientific activity. The main direction of scientific activity of Vladimir Nikitich Yarygin was medical genetics. He was actively involved in the introduction of stem cells into medical practice. He was the head of the scientific council of the stem cells program. Yarygin said, "It is obvious that the health of people is largely determined by the conditions and way of their life. But in our time, in economically developed countries, the resource for further improving the health status of the population due to additional social transformations has actually been exhausted. The biological component comes to the fore. The improvement of the health service is increasingly beginning to depend on the use of the achievements of fundamental biology in practical medicine. A number of directions have already emerged in this regard, and among the most promising is the use of stem cells. The Department of Biology of the Russian State Medical University, under the leadership of Yarygin, successfully studied the cellular and cellular population mechanisms of development, functioning, and age-related dynamics of tissue systems. More than 11 doctoral and 28 master's theses were prepared and defended under the guidance of Vladimir Nikitich Yarygin. He was the author of about 200 published scientific works, 3 textbooks on biology. He was the editor-in-chief of the journal Bulletin of Experimental Biology and Medicine and Cellular Technologies and Biology and Medicine, a member of the editorial boards of a number of other scientific journals. The complex of educational materials on biology created by Yarygin was awarded the Russian Federation Government Prize in the field of education in 1997. All his achievements were appreciated by these following awards. In 1996, he had an Order of Honor. In 1997, he was a laureate of the Prize of the Government of Russia in the field of education. In 2022, he had an Order for Merit to the Fatherland of the 4th degree, and so on.